In this video, I will explain the requirements you must meet in order to be eligible to sit for the CPA exam and be licensed in the state of Maryland. So, keep watching. Hey future CPAs, this is Ella Abudaya. I'm a licensed CPA in the state of Colorado and I help students pass the CPA exam and become CPAs. If this is your first time here and you're interested in becoming CPAs, start by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell in order not to miss any of my videos. To qualify to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Maryland, there are certain requirements you must meet. Comment below and tell me if you are planning to apply to Maryland State Board of Accountancy to sit for the CPA exam and be licensed to be eligible to apply to sit in Maryland. You must be at least 18 years old, which most of you must meet. Now, Maryland does not have any citizenship or residency requirements to sit for the exam. However, Maryland requires a United States Social Security number. With that said, Maryland may not be suitable for international candidates who do not have a social security number. If you want other state options that are more suitable for international candidates, watch this video which I gave some good options. Now, with respect to the educational requirements you must meet to sit for the CPA exam in Maryland, you must have a minimum of a baccalaureate degree with at least 120 credit hours from an accredited educational institution. Your education must include 3 hours in ethics and 27 credit hours in accounting courses. The 27 credit hours in accounting must include at least 9 credit hours in financial accounting courses and 9 credit hours in elective accounting courses, in addition to 3 credit hours in each of auditing, cost accounting or managerial accounting, and U.S. federal income tax course. Does that make sense? If you studied outside the United States, then you must send your academic credentials for evaluation by NASPA International Evaluation Services. This is the only accepted evaluation service provider for Maryland. Comment below and tell me if you meet these educational requirements. So these are the requirements to apply to sit for the CPA exam in Maryland. This state also allows you to sit for the CPA exam in any place in the United States or internationally. Concerning the licensing requirements, they are different from the CPA exam requirements. Watch this video which I explain the difference between the CPA sit-in requirements and CPA licensing requirements. To be licensed in Maryland, you must meet the 4 E requirements, which are E number 1, education. Maryland requires you to have 150 credit hours to be licensed and not 120 as required to sit for the exam. These hours must include at least 21 undergraduate semester hours in at least 5 of the following 9 subjects, which are statistics, economics, corporation or business finance, management, marketing, U.S. business law, business communication, quantitative methods, and computer science or information systems. The second E you must meet in order to be licensed is passing the 4 parts of the CPA exam. Watch this video to learn the 4 parts of the CPA exam. And to get more tips and tricks to pass the 4 parts of the CPA exam, make sure to watch these 4 videos which I gave tips and tricks to pass the FAR part, audit part, RIG part, and business part of the exam. Now the third E you must meet in order to be licensed in Maryland is the ethics exam. You must pass the ethics exam published by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, known as the AICPA. It is a self-study exam titled Professional Ethics, the AICPA comprehensive course for licensure. And finally, the 4th E you must have is the experience. You must have at least 1 year of experience verified by a licensed CPA who must sign on your application, providing any type of services or advice using accounting, attest, management advisory, financial advisory, tax, or consulting skills. With that said, make sure you fulfill this experience requirement to be approved for licensing. Comment below and tell me if you meet these 4 E requirements or not. To learn the step-by-step process to apply and schedule your CPA exams, make sure to get your CPA exam cheat sheet. It's in the link below, in the description below. It is totally free. So make sure to get this cheat sheet, which I give you a step-by-step process to apply to your CPA exam and schedule the exam. So make sure to get this sheet. My next video will be about Virginia CPA exam requirements. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and click the bell in order to get this video. Watch this video, which I gave you tips to increase your CPA exam score, and this video, which I gave you tips to study smarter. Remember, go after what you want, pass the CPA exam because you can become CPAs and save the world.